So we need to follow the steps that are involved here, and it's telling us what to do. I want to create a new row 2 using row 1 and row 2, a new row 3 using row 1 and row 3. So that says row 1 is going to remain stationary. And I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to put, I need to make sure that this thing is big enough. I'm going to replace it with a new row 2 and a new row 3. Then it says create a new row 2 by taking -5 multiplied times row 1, adding it to row 2. That's going to give me a brand new row 2. So all of this is saying, can you perform these operations? That's all this says. Has nothing to do with solving, just perform the operations. So -5 times row 1 is -5. -5 times -13 is 15. -5 times -5 is 25. -5 times -2 is 10. And then I'm going to add it to row 2, which is 5, -5, -4, and 5. My new row is 0, 10, 21, and 15. Then that takes care of this guy. This guy says create a new row 3 by using row 1 and row 3. So it says, what do I need to do? Take -3 times row 1, add it to row 3, gives me a new row 3. So -3 times 1 is -3. -3 times -3, +9. -3 times -5 is +15. -3 times -2 is +6. I'm adding it to row 3. And I'm going to get a 0, 14, 19, and 12. That takes care of that one. Now it says create a new row 3 using row 2 and row 3. That says row 1 needn't apply for the job. And then it says, what am I going to do? I'm going to take 6 times row 2, add it to row 3. That's going to give me a new row 3. So that's all I have to do. So 6 times row 2. So that's a 0. That's a 60. This is a 126. And I think this is 90. And then add it to row 3, which is 0, 14, 19, 12. This is a 0, 74, 145, 102. And this guy remains fixed, because he was operating on row 3. And then that's your answer.